Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara. Innal ladhina amanu wa 'amilus salihati wa aqamus salata wa atawuz zakata lahum ajruhum 'inda rabbihim ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Translation: Indeed, those who believe and do the good deeds and establish salah, prayers, and give zakah, poor due, will have their reward with their Rabb, and they will have no fear on them, nor shall they grieve. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given 4 characteristics in this ayah of the successful people, and these 4 characteristics are that they have the iman, they have the salah, they establish salah, and they pay zakat, and they do good deeds in general. These people will have no fear for the future and will not have any grief for the past. In these ayahs, the interest is explained, and those people who give sadaqah are opposed to those people who take interest. Those people who give sadaqah with sincere heart, they do not want any reward from the people they are helping, but they seek reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they have a firm belief that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not waste their sadaqat. They will not have any fear for the future and any grief for the past in the day of judgment. And if carefully seen here in this world, these people have no fear and they have ultimate belief on Allah, and they do not grieve on the money they have spent in the path of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining that these people with the iman, with the salah and prayers and zakah and good deeds that they perform with sincere heart, they will have no fear in the day of judgment, which is the highest achievement, because that day will not be easy. That will be a very, very tough day. But Allah will make this day easy for these people. On the other hand, those people who performed the bad deeds and haram deeds like eating interest and saving money and making haram things permissible for themselves will be acting like a madman or insane man, because they will have extreme regret. First of all, they earn money with all the non-permissible way, like eating haram and earning money from haram like interest, and then they died and left all the money behind in the world. So at this time they will not have a single penny in their pockets, and in the world they were busy in gathering the money and saving the money, so they did not spend any money for the good deeds. However, if even they spend money for the good deeds like in sadaqat, it will not bring any good, because Allah does not accept haram money as sadaqah. So that day they will be full of fear of the future, and they will be full of grief about the past, about the actions they did. Oh Allah, help us to understand this ayah so that we can make good decision for ourselves, and we can save ourselves from any haram and have a perfect belief and do good deeds and establish salah and pay zakah. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.